Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're exploring hydroponics, a clean, efficient way to grow romaine lettuce without soil. Whether you're gardening indoors or looking to maximize space, hydroponics offers an innovative solution. Let's take a look at how you can get started with a basic setup. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants in a water-based, nutrient-rich solution instead of soil. It's perfect for those looking to grow fresh greens indoors or in small spaces, offering precise control over nutrients and growing conditions. To get started, you'll need a few key components: a container to hold the water and nutrient solution, an air pump to oxygenate the water, and net pots to support the plants. You can start with a simple setup that fits on a windowsill or countertop, making it easy to grow romaine lettuce year-round. Romaine lettuce thrives in a hydroponic system because it allows the roots to absorb nutrients directly from the water. Keep the nutrient solution balanced and provide plenty of light, whether natural or from grow lights, and you'll have crisp, fresh lettuce ready to harvest in no time. Hydroponics is a fantastic way to grow romaine lettuce, offering a clean, efficient, and space-saving alternative to traditional gardening. Stay tuned for more tips on hydroponic gardening, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy growing!